Hi, I'm Ryan with BTOD.com and the Break Room blog. Today, I'm bringing you a video unboxing and assembling our new Steelcase Gesture chair. So you can see the Gesture arrives in a really large box. It weighs about 70 pounds, so I would recommend having a second person on hand to help you. You can utilize the handles on the front. I did see the FedEx guy carry it on his own, but it's not something that I would recommend for most people. So we'll get in, we'll open the box, and we'll see what's inside here so that you know what to expect when your Gesture arrives to your location. As you can see, the Steelcase Gesture chair arrives fully assembled. You do not need to spend any time installing parts. My one recommendation for getting the chair out of the box is you can see that I requested help from a second person, and it makes it easy just to lift the chair up and out of the box instead of having to cut the box and destroy it, which is going to be a problem if you do decide that you need to return the chair because you won't have your original packaging. So let's finish up taking this packaging off. One plastic bag here, and then a couple armrest covers. I would recommend using a knife just to cut slightly, but beware of the armrests, not to cut them a little bit because they do cut easily. And then these should come right off. Same thing with the other one. Just make a small cut, then you should be able to rip into the plastic there. Pull the covers off, and then you're just going to be left with 5 covers to protect the base. There's no real trick to getting these off. You just got to kind of rip them off. Okay, one left to go here. Okay, and that's going to be it with our unboxing and assembly of the Steelcase Gesture chair. If you have any more questions or want some more information about this chair, check out our full review at BTOD.com and the Break Room blog, and thanks a lot for watching.